Welcome everyone to Olympic National Park, our next stop on this journey. Alright guys, we just finished the Hall of Mosses Trail at the Hoh Rainforest. We're now going to drive towards the town of Forks, and then we're going to peel off and visit Rialto Beach. So that'll be our next stop on this trip. Welcome everyone to the town of Forks, where they filmed the movie Twilight, our next stop on this adventure. Alright guys, after our stop in the Hoh Rainforest, we are visiting a short little stop here. We are in currently the town of Forks, Washington, and this is where they filmed the movie Twilight, and they actually have the vehicle, Bella's truck, that was featured in the movie. And this is right by the Forks Timber Museum. Really cool. So yeah, here's the building over here. And I believe the truck is right over here. Nice building too. Oh, here we go. Here's the truck and everything from the movie. So we made 2 movie stops on this adventure so far. It's an old, I don't know, what kind is that? Old Ford? That's nice too.
This looks like it's from the 40s.
The 40s?
I would say.
That's cool though, isn't it? Guys, after our stop for lunch in the town of Forks, as well as the Twilight stop, we are now driving to Rialto Beach. We're almost there, guys. You could see we're driving up right now. Very heavily wooded. So this will be our 3rd beach that we've explored today. And then our final stop for today after this is the famous Soul Duck Falls. And we should be done after that. Welcome everyone to Rialto Beach, our final beach stop for today. Look at this. I know, look at the waves. Look at those waves out there. Oh my God. Can't get over how rough this water is here, guys. Jeez. So much sea foam over here. Look at how that sea foam just jiggles. Looks like Jello. Wow, look at all that. It jiggles like Jello.
I know, look at that.
Finding any cool stuff? What about some of these green ones here? So cool. Or this one here.
Yep.
It's green.
I like that.
It's crazy. I know. You don't want to mess around with those rolling logs. They'll kill you. I can see how these things can kill you. I want to get by that big driftwood. Oh, I know. Man, guys, if you get here at high tide, it's like life and death. You really gotta watch yourself. These Pacific Ocean waves are nothing to mess with. Look at that. Thank you guys for watching today's adventure to Rialto Beach in Washington State. Our next stop is Salt Duck Falls. We'll see you there.